Good morning, class. Today, I would request all students to sit down and listen what I'm telling you. Please, student, are you ready? Please sit down and listen carefully what I'm telling you all. Before I start my class, I would give you some instructions. That is, from coming week, not from the 7th, from 10th onwards, we are starting our unit test. Okay? Now, one thing is that for English 2 syllabus, you will be having the poem Clouds and Why Did Seema Fall? So, we will be having 3 unit tests. So, for the first unit test, you will be having the poem Clouds and Why Did Seema Fall? Only these 2 chapters. For the first unit test, listen carefully that you will be having Clouds and Why Did Seema Fall? Just before your unit test, 1 week before, I'll give you the chapters which you have to learn. Okay. You need not worry. Don't feel scared. You will be having MCQ, means multiple choice question answers. The question you will be getting a format. A form will go to you. On your link will be sent. And the questions will be given there. On the form, you only have to type your name. First, you have to type your name and all questions, and after each question, 3-4 answers will be there. So, whichever will be the right answer, you just click that. Okay? Now, as you finish one clicking, then you go for the 2. If you don't do that, then you will not be able to go for the next. Please see that you answer one and then go for the another. Because unless you tick, you will not be able to go for the another questions. Okay. So for the first unit test, you are having 15 marks. It is multiple choice question answers. Nothing to worry. Study well. All the answers will be there. You only need to tick. Okay? Hope you all understood. So please do it in this way. And you must write your name. And after completing, there will be a submit. You submit. Okay? So, nothing to worry. And I hope you will learn. And before that, let me tell you, I will send you one demo questions which you can practice. Okay? Once I'll send it, you try it out, then you'll understand that how it has been done. Okay? So need not worry. Before the exam, I'll make you practice. So the days I've got English 2, you find there. I'll try to send the demo. You can try it out. Okay? So another thing is that we have completed chapters The Clouds, Why Did Seema Fall, New Baby, Miss Polly, A Rainy Day, and Jojo's Pet. Yes? Maybe for half yearly I'll be adding one more chapter. Maybe I'll be doing, if I get time, then only I'll try to do one more chapter. So that means it will be easy for you to, anyway it's MCQ, no? So that's why no need to worry. And September will be your half yearly exam. Okay. So these are the instructions I was supposed to give. Now the cloud poem, from the inside the thing you will be questions. I'll give you the answers. You have to take the right answers and do it. Then why did Seema fall? You have to read the chapter nicely. because there's possibility of questions coming from inside the book. Okay, since it is MCQ, you got to know the chapters properly. Okay, and don't get confused. All instructions are given, and every week before the unit test, I will give you the instructions, and you will be getting the routine also, which you can see. Routine will be given, and according to that, and time limit is there, student. There will be a time limit. It is not that a whole day you will do and keep sending me. No. Suppose the test is starting at 10 o'clock. 10:30, by 10:30 you have to be very fast. You just tick and complete your work, because after 10:30 what happened, the link will go, then you won't be able to submit. So keep that in mind. Time limit will be there. According to that you have to do it. So I know you all are smart enough to do it, and let us do little revision on clouds. Okay, what kind of ship was there? What was the color of the ship? White. Where was the ship? It was on a blue hill. What happened when the wind stops? You all stand still, means everything stood still. When the wind blows, what happened? The ships start, what happened? Walking away slow. Actually, the clouds started moving slowly. White ship, where did you go? Who asked this? Na? Who asked this? The poet asked that where the ship was going. Who is the ship here? The ship is the cloud. Okay? And blue hill is what is the blue hill? Blue hill is the sky. Got it? And what is the name of the poet? Christina Rossetti. What is the name of the poet? Christina Rossetti. True and false, you should know. Please learn. The white ships are in a ship. The white ship stands still when the wind stops. The white ship walks slowly when the wind blows. You should know by this, you should know. I will give you the revision which you can see. A demo question. You can see the pattern how I'm doing. So what I said, for first unit test, the cloud and why did Seema fall. Okay. And this unit test, first unit test is on 12th August. First unit test for English 2 is 12th August. Once again, when is your English 2 test? On 12th August. Okay. So in assignment, you see, I will send you a demo questions. You can check it out. As you don't see, don't keep phoning me or calling me. It will be there. You can see it. I'll send you. Okay. So don't worry. It will be there. So you can practice. Okay. Bye. And next class, I'll be doing the revision of why did the Seema fall. Okay. Have a nice day. Bye, students.